Hello and welcome to Stender Painting. I'm your host, Jimmy Stender. My favorite Skaven clan is Clan Moulder, and I'm about to unleash some hell on my players in Warhammer Soulbound. But before I can do that, I need to open this box of a Brood Terror, and I would like to share that experience with you guys. So let's dig in. Well, this monstrous creature is a big one. We have a nice picture of it on the front side of the box, and on the back side we have a bit more details. I know there are 16 components in this box and a 90mm base. And all the components are push to fit, meaning that you don't need glue to assemble them, but I would recommend doing it anyways. I'm going to at least. But with that said, let's get into the box. There we are. And here we have a pamphlet showing how to assemble your Brood Terror with some rules included on the back side. I'm not sure if these are up to date, but you have these at least if you don't have the battle tome. There aren't that many pages, so I think it's quite simple to assemble this one. Yeah. And then there are, of course, the sprues. Oh, and the base. Don't forget the base. I'm going to show you these two sprues one at a time. Here comes the first one. And the reverse side. As you can see, they are indeed pushed to fit. And the second and final sprue. I can't wait to throw this at my players in Warhammer Soulbound, the Age of Sigmar role-playing game. And yep, that's all she wrote. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you want more content, and if you want me to paint this bad boy, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy painting.